refresh. Yeah, well, fun question, yes. Sorry, I'm just fixing my camera now, yeah. Just a second. Just a second. Deactivate, activate. Luckily, I think I found a way to do it quickly, yes. Now it's working. Hello, hello. Are we there yet? Or maybe I'm too early. No, I think I'm vibing now. I'm vibe talking. I'm vibe talking. Just a second, quick one. Yeah, just a second, quick one. Yeah, so should I start? Like, I never know, because the live stream always, like, I mean, often I can see that people are joining very quickly to live streams, but because it's not planned, so it's really hard to actually say if anyone is listening to me. So yeah, I will just take another minute and I will just talk about for a moment. I will just talk about, let's just do this. Sorry. I will just remind everyone to, oh, there's 4 people already according to what I have. Let's just go into the Discord and do the normal Discord stuff. Invite everyone who wants to join. And oh, we've got this. I will have to read this message later. Maybe now. It's long. Is it long? Is it short? Is it good? Is it bad? Hey. Hey. Okay, so yeah, so join the Discord if you are not there yet. There is a survey if you want to work on a project together. Or, I mean, the idea is I'm not gonna be actually myself in the project as a developer or as a maybe manager, you know, with kind of limited scope. So yeah. And I still have a cold, so I'm sorry for that if I will be blowing my nose every couple of minutes. It's very it's not very nice to me as well. It's very do it later. Oh yeah. So let's oh, okay, so I was actually yesterday I was faced with a very negative comment, basically. Since you didn't sell anything, why should I watch your videos? Yes, so that was the idea. Yeah. So have you sold anything so far? Any users? Install traction? Yeah, that's a good question. That's a valid question. If you know, if you didn't sell anything, like why are you worth even to listen or something like that? And I feel like that's the way I see it usually is like we are taught to actually expect results straight away, and especially YouTube is feeding us this information, you know, that you vibe code something in a weekend and then it's a success, you know. But this doesn't work that way, you know. People, like, sometimes if you know what you are doing, then you might have a success, obviously, or if you invest a lot, and you know there are many hedges, actually, many ways to do it. Obviously, if you know already how to do business, it will be easier for you to do business again. For me, I know how to build apps, so I've built the app and I'm trying to sell it now. I'm building another one and I will be trying to sell it in the future. I'm building like on digital services, and quite soon I will try to sell them as well. I'm building a YouTube channel and it seems to be growing. So what I see as my results are not really sales. Unfortunately, I wish I had sales, you know. I wish I could say, yeah, this app is already selling a lot and, you know, I don't have to work anymore. That's something that would be great, you know. And we are actually, as I'm saying, we are fed that information that you get instant success. Every time you release an app, you should have users straight away, and you should have money straight away. But like if you ask people who built something, it took a while. It took time. It always takes time. So yeah, what I said to the guy is like, if you're about sales, check out Jeff Bezos. You know, he has lots of sales. Basically, his Amazon is selling billions of things every day. He has the most sales. So just watch him. You know, if you're interested in guy who is great, you know, or in people who are selling a lot, yeah, there's plenty of those. There's plenty of people who sell a lot of things, and they make lots of money. Whether you will learn anything that is relatable for you from those people, it's really hard to say. You know, so there's plenty of people who tell you on YouTube, and they have millions of viewers, that their products are success. You know, so like if you go, you're probably gonna find, you know, someone bragging about how he made billions. Okay, no one in my feed, luckily. I'm not really tempted to watch those guys too much, although like 10 out of 10. Oh yeah, so maybe this guy will be telling me that he has something that he, you know, it sells straight away. He has a formula that if you just watch his video or if you buy his course, you will actually do that as well. And that's not always that easy. So yeah, as I'm saying, I don't really have too many of those guys who maybe this, you know, 6 level to Cloud Code. Okay, no, so that's not, but there will be, like, if you scroll your feed, you will probably see people who will brag about their sales, you know, and there are people who can do sales. I'm not doubting that. Why it's worth actually watching me is not really for the most sales in the internet or anything like that, or most money made with app. You know, I'm still learning how to make money with my app, and it's a hard journey. I don't know. I've put already some money. I don't really get customers, unfortunately. Maybe my app is not correct. Maybe I have to market it differently. Maybe my messages are not really convincing to people. But I didn't really get any like, even I can't even get free users. You know, I could probably maybe start calling people and maybe you know, begging people on the live streams to actually use my app for some reason, you know, so I could say that I have attraction, but no, I don't have attraction with my main app. It's you know, it's not really a great message to have, but unfortunately that's how it works. But yeah, like so what I'm saying here, my videos are called Road to Passive Income, and most of them actually have that kind of at the end of the title it says Road to Passive Income, and this is how I see it. Actually, this is a road. This is a bumpy road. It's not actually easy to get to the goal of passive income or making money online, especially if you didn't do it too much. You know, I've done it a bit 10 years ago. It doesn't, you know, and it was actually relying on a very successful YouTube channel. So this is actually, it's much different, you know. It's much different this time for me, because back then we just released the product, we just told about it on the YouTube videos, and some of it would sell, you know. We would get enough sales to actually maintain our lifestyle. This time it's not really that easy for me. It's much different, you know. My channel is much smaller. It's not really getting so many views, and my product is not tailored for my audience of the channel. So the audience of the channel is people who are interested in programming, in building their own SaaS, in building their own products, and they're just watching my journey. But you know, and my product is actually for like delivery companies, so that's different. But like I'm just doing this YouTube because it's very interesting to me. It's actually very fun to me to talk to people and then give feedback, and I actually meet also people who can help me with my projects, and then my projects can progress better, you know. Maybe in a year or year and a half I will get actually to those numbers, you know. I will be able to brag about my numbers next year or something. I watch those people sometimes, you know. So micro SaaS, let's say. I'm looking at those guys, you know. They are saying that they have a micro SaaS is what? Micro SaaS in 22 minutes. See, like this is brilliant, you know. You can have a micro SaaS in 22 minutes, and then the next guy will tell you that he can make with his micro SaaS. So okay, after 2 years, obviously, he can make $12,000. Nice. This is amazing. Like I wish I could do that. This guy, he says that he built this 23,000 a month to $776 a day, and I believe that he does. You know, he does make this money probably. This guy has built 30,000. So maybe they are maybe they're actually saying a truth, or maybe it's a clickbait. But I believe that most of them say truth. You know. And you know, there are people who tried something for 300 days and didn't really pan out. And that's, you know, there's always success stories you can say. Unfortunately, mine is not really yet a success story. I think it will be if I work on it longer. And yeah, this guy 2.4 million. Yeah, I was watching his video. Yeah, it's amazing. Like, it's impressive, you know. And I think like he's not lying. Actually, he is making this money with those apps, because he got, you know, he worked on them. It's not like he didn't. Yeah, he's working on them for a while. He learned skills that allowed him to scale up apps and release apps and sell apps. So he's, you know, and now he's talking about that, and I believe that it might be truth. This guy, I was watching him. He seems to be doing well. Like, he knows what he's talking about. He probably is making lots of money on his tasks. I'm not doing this yet. I hope I will make them. You know, I'm actually working together, you know. And this guy is driving Ferrari and just does gym, you know. So I don't know. I mean, the reality is not always so rosy. Those videos might be by people who already work on their apps for a year or 2 or 5. Or maybe they're like really good at selling things online, way better than I am. But yeah, my journey is about building an app and trying to sell it. So yeah, that's what I said to the guy. It didn't hit me, or it wasn't like painful or anything. It's just like, okay, yeah, whatever. You don't like it, don't watch it. You find it useful. You find me useful talking about how I'm building a business and what sort of obstacles I'm getting and what I think like is a good idea, and then I try to make it and the idea doesn't pan out. If it's interesting for you, then watch it. If this is, you know, if you wanna people who have sales and stuff, there's plenty of them online that easily you can watch. And then I don't know. I watched their videos. I didn't learn much, to be honest. So yeah, that's my gist. No, I'm not gonna quit. I'm clickbaiting with my image. Should I need to implement unit test as well? Yeah. So yeah, we will see. We'll see how it goes. I'm sorry for that. Yeah, I think I might have it. It might be actually my tooth that is causing this. This nose running, which is so it's not easy to actually heal from. Oh yeah, so I was actually going to do some work on one of my second project, pattern market. I need to look into pull requests that I got. I've actually I'm being contacted by people to try to get me to test their products, and I don't know if I will be doing that. I mean, sometimes I will if they come to my live stream. If it's just like, can you do it in your free time, and just I mean, yeah, not always. I'm not always open for that. I don't really see value for me in testing someone's random app. But you know, if you have anything to show, like I was actually speaking to a couple of guys who showed me some cool apps, and I was impressed with some of them. I think, like, you know, even vibe coded apps can be actually very good. I mean, yeah, that's what we are trying to do now. Get the vibe coding app that is vibe coded to actually sell. Okay, where we are. So here, I think do I have a meeting actually later? Yeah, I moved one from yes, I have a meeting here and I need to pay some bills. Tomorrow I have a doctor, that's an important one. Yeah, so I have half an hour to actually do some work. So let's do that. Any questions on chats, guys? Uh, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Back to pattern market. Yes. So pattern market, I have a problem actually with pattern market now that the image upload doesn't work. So let's just try to fix it today. I think that's a very important part of my project. I should actually make it happen, make it fixed and make it work. Make it fix and make it work. Yes. And then you know, it should be working here because we actually put like quite a lot of work recently into it, and there is also Rajat. Yes, if I'm saying it correctly, I always forget. I will learn within a month. I promised myself. So, or Rajit, yes. Discord. So he's a guy who I met here online, and he's already building stuff for me. Yeah, I have done, but there might be something else you need to verify. Yeah. So Rajat is actually helping with the project, so great. And I will be speaking to him later today as well. Let me just send him an invite as well after this. Yeah, so much fun. Yeah, like, and the thing is, like, doing a product is grind, you know, like you have to like speak to people. This is actually much more, like, there's just so much stuff, and like it's the selling part is the last, the nicest part at the end. No, for sure. Yeah, and like the earlier, that's like in between, there's about like a billion things that can happen on the way. Yeah, so can I just invite him? No, I don't know. Okay. Yeah, I'll send later. So, yo, how are you? But so I wish I could read your nickname. That would be a Hubert. Oh, hey Hubert. Are you Polish? What a brilliant image. You know, it's like a very happy person. Here we have. It's like a suicidal Teletubby. Nice image. So, yo, how are you? What are you up to, man? Oh, I was going to put like a Discord channel in the chat and I forgot. So let me just do it now. And the Discord channel is a brilliant place where you can meet people who are building some SaaS products, or some developers, or some other people, some project managers and stuff. And we might actually, if you fill up this form, it means that you might be interested in working together with them. So there's a form that is pinned to the chat. It's at the top here, and there is a link here. It's a Google form where you can just like say like, okay, I like this stuff. I'm interested in that kind of project. So this is how many hours I can do and stuff like that. So if you, no, I can't do it now. Sorry, I can't do it now. I can't now. Or actually, no, let's do it now. So actually, like that's actually a good idea, to be honest. So Rajat is building pattern market for me. Yes, so he's a capable developer who I actually tasked him this week to do something for the project. Let me just send him, and he will actually show a update how it's going, which is I think it's a brilliant idea actually for him to show us. Yeah, okay, let's just do the calendar. Let's just join the, oh, actually, the link, where's the Google link? Actually, here. Yeah, Yeah, let's do the Google. Start now. Join now. Yeah, we're gonna do it now. Doesn't matter. And if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I'm talking about building SaaS products and wherever, and everything around that. Programming, AI coding. There's plenty of those. I think I'm talking about more topics that I know about, but I'm trying not to say stupid things. And often I kind of manage that, and sometimes I don't. So obviously that's why you should subscribe for the channel. And now we will be speaking to Rajat, who basically he is from Nepal, and he is a developer who just contacted me through this live stream. And he said, "Oh, I actually know how to do those things. I know how to do React and Node. And do you have a project?" And I said, "Oh, actually, I have a project. I have a project that is actually using exactly those technologies. And I could, let's see. I will give you some tasks." And he took those tasks, and we'll see what he did with them. How good was the... Yeah. Come to live stream. Sorry, come to... I'm also planning to launch my B2C app soon. Any tips on setting my expectations? Ooh, that's a hard one, actually. What are your expectations? Like, what are you... Did you actually... Okay, this is something that I didn't do myself, so... but in terms of setting your expectations, it's good to write down your goals. The kind of standard businessy goals. This is what we're gonna achieve in a month or in 3 months. In first month we're gonna have 3 users, and then like you judge yourself at the end of the month if you have those 3 users. At the month 5 we're gonna have 20 users, or like we're gonna have like something else. So like the more you actually the more you plan your project. And obviously like I'm with my project, I didn't do some of planning, so unfortunately, I'm just talking. I might be talking just. Are you free? Yes. Yeah. So the more you plan, obviously, the more you can actually see if you are actually on the right path. And as I'm saying, like I don't always do that. For example, with pattern market, I was planning to my vague initial plan was to launch it in 2 months. And then it just turns out there's more work. So if you do good planning, obviously it will actually be good. My goals are 100 to 300 users for the first month, free. I will do manual reach out of communities through my friends. Yeah, so this is actually quite ambitious goal because you are asking people to spend their time testing your app. So that 100 to 300 users, I don't know, like depending what sort of app your app is doing, obviously. So it's a business to customer. So depending like how wide your goal, your reach is, like how many users, like is it for everybody, or is there like a niche that it actually meets? That's also dependent. So like the customers, it's actually okay. Are we here? Go to... Come on, Rajat, come on, show yourself. Yeah, go here. I'm in the meet. So, yeah, I don't know, like it's actually you. Do you wanna show your app? Maybe you'll get someone for here. But it's, I mean, and actually you should come and tell me how it's going, because maybe my biggest mistake, or maybe one of my mistakes, is not really reaching to people directly. Because customer app used to watch videos together. It works across most websites on the web. Sorry, Rajesh. Sorry, Rajat. It also has network effects, so one person will invite their friends to watch together. Oh, it sounds cool. Sorry, I'm just reading someone from the chat. Yeah. Yeah. So, yeah. So what's up? How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine in a lot about you.
Okay. Yeah, you have a Audio sounds good. So you want me to review your pull request, or like I think it would be better if you showed me what you actually developed. I can look at the code a bit later, but let's just see what you actually built. Yes.
Okay, I will. I am screen sharing this moment. Okay.
The audio is quite bad now. It was better a minute ago.
Hello, hello.
Uh, sorry. Yeah, I can hardly hear you. You know?
Hello,
Yeah, better
hello,
now.
hello.
Better now. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
So you can share your
Ah,
screen or something. Yes.
yes, I'm screen sharing. Yeah, okay. So I was talking about this head script. It should be in the root folder.
Oh, sorry. Just a second. I'm just like writing to someone on the chat. Yeah.
Okay.
Um, 2 minutes. Get you. Yeah.
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 Uh,
Okay.
okay. I have finished the entire task you given to me.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So you
Okay.
added the admin.
I have.
I was actually
Yeah, yeah.
browsing through it the other day, so I'm quite familiar with it. Can you run the app? Can you show how it actually looks and how it works? Because I can look at this
Yeah.
stuff later. Yes, this is not really like
Yeah. I, I have implemented the express validator to validate the commission rate.
Mhm.
It should be what? Hello?
Yeah, I hear you. I hear you. Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah. Okay. I, I have implemented this express validator to check the commission rate from
Uh-huh.
minimum should be zero and maximum should be one.
Okay. So
Okay.
okay.
And in the admin middleware, I have made some changes here as well. I
Mm,
have
yeah, okay.
mm, I have excluded the password field and origin field as well here. And yeah,
Yeah. Can you show it like how it? Can you show the app itself, not the code, or do you have to show the code?
uh, for now I have implemented only backend routes.
Oh,
I
okay.
haven't. So
Uh, okay. So the thing is, okay. So I can actually do a code review for that for later. Okay. But I was
okay.
actually checking it like 2 days ago, and I think it was fine. Yeah, I was.
Yeah.
So yeah, yeah. Yeah. Okay. So let's just speak about it later. Actually, on because I don't know. It's like people are asking around. I've actually invited. I start I start I invited you
Yeah.
on the live stream, and I'd like that's maybe not really the best format to do that. So let's actually do the
Okay.
11.
Okay.
Okay, let's do 11 like in an hour and a half. And now like
Oh,
yeah. Now there is a other fellow. He will show his app, and then I have a meeting, and then we will just meet me and you. Okay, and we will talk that through.
okay. After the live stream, we will
Yeah,
be in
yeah.
the call.
It's on the live stream now.
Oh, okay. Thank you then.
Yeah. Okay. Uh,
Okay.
TK Kushal, if you wanna join now, you can join. I will send you an invite, okay? Or just like, yeah, I will send you that invite. Where are you? Did you join the Discord? You want to show your app? Yeah, like on the live streams, I feel like it's best if I'm just showing like the apps actually, not really the code. The code, yeah, it's sometimes okay, but like I don't want to like if someone doesn't. This is not really live stream about Node.js and stuff like that. So like I would rather actually just do the the link. Oh, sorry. Yeah, that's my mistake. Sorry, I was planning to throw it on the chat. The server link. Yeah, it's here. Yeah, join here, and then I will send you the. Oh, hey there. Disable ghosts. Yeah, I've seen you before. Yes, you've been here. Go to channel. Joining just a second. Yeah, so we're gonna have a TK Kushal. I hope I'm reading it right. We'll show his app. His what was it about? It was a social watching videos app. Hey Kushal. I hope I'm reading your name correctly. I will send you a link now, yeah, and just come in. And sorry, I will sniff. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I'm back. I will keep on disappearing every couple of minutes because I just have to blow my nose. Admit, yes, admit. Admit, yes. Hello. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hi there.
Oh, I haven't asked your name. So what's your name?
It's Maciej or Maciek, depending how you. Which one is the easier for you to pronounce?
Magic?
Yes.
Magic.
No, it's
and
not that. But
Macac. Can you tell me once again?
It's Maciek. Magic.
Okay, Magic. So
Yeah.
how are you, Magic? It's great
Good.
meeting you.
Yeah, it's good to see you. Do you have a camera? Do you want to show your face and stuff? Because like
Oh yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Well,
good.
it's not very good quality. So
No, it's better than like it's better just
Not
than
too bad.
just a picture. So like in the live stream, I've just put myself on the next to you. So we are like in the like normally. So yeah, just show your stuff and let's see. Like you'll just tell us how it's built. I unfortunately have only 10 minutes, so let's just do it quickly. And yeah,
Yeah, no
like,
issue, man. No issue.
If something we can have like if you want to continue later, we can do that maybe. If it's like or if you manage to show everything that you want, then obviously that's gonna be great.
Of course. So I'll show my screen here.
Yeah, I'll just make it full screen.
Maybe
yes.
Yeah. Yep. Just confirm. Can you see that icons may be too small?
I can see your browser for now. Yes. No, not the app.
Yes.
Or anything.
Yeah. So I don't think. Oh yeah, you are able to see the pop-up. I think. So yeah, as you can see, this is my app, which is in a form of a Chrome extension right now. So what this app basically does is, for example, I'll just open a YouTube video right here, and I'll just show you live what it does. So for example, if I watch a random video, just mute it. And for example, if I'm watching this video and I want to watch it with you.
Yeah.
So I can just share it like right here, right now. But if I want to do it in a higher quality way, so I can just use this app. This is my app, or I don't know why it's not working when I'm just showing it. Yeah. So as you can see, we can see the video playing here.
Yeah.
I can just generate the code, copy it, and I'll give it to you. But I'll just show you by opening another tab on my computer. So I'll paste the code just right here. So the other person will paste the code on their computer right here and will click join. And it will open the exact same video on their computer as well.
Okay. Does it like if you play, does it show like the same playhead as on both of them? Like
Yes, yes. And both of them will control video. And sorry, I can't hear you. Are you saying
Yeah, yeah,
something?
yeah. Like because okay, so you've shared the link, and I opened. Let's say I opened your video. Yes.
Hmm.
So I opened the
Yes.
video you are watching. Is that mean that when you pause it, will it pause it for me as well?
Yes.
Okay.
Exactly. Exactly. So I have paused on this tab. This tab is also paused. If I play on this, this will also play. If I fast forward, it will fast forward. And if I change the video to something else,
Mm-hmm.
it will also change on the other side.
Oh, okay. So you can watch the. Okay, maybe looks interesting.
Exactly. Exactly. Now, the great thing about this is the number of people is not limited to two. You can have as many people as you want. And also, it is not only limited to YouTube. You can watch on any platform um, that you have. So, this version is the first kind of proof of concept version
Uh
that
huh.
I have, and it is already live on Chrome Web Store. So, you can just install it if you want. So, this is not it. So the app's name is Syncit. This is an older version from around 2 years ago.
Yeah.
I have just started developing it again. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, this is an older version, but it works on YouTube. The version I'm showing you currently works across all websites and obviously has a bit more features.
Okay.
So yeah, what my goal or I say goal with this application is to convert it into a mobile app as well, so people can watch on mobile and on their browser, and also add a kind of video calling feature as we are doing currently in Google Meet. So we will have native voice support like Discord, and we can watch it to watch videos or movies together. The main benefit of this app is basically the quality,
Mm-hmm.
and some websites don't allow you to share your screen. So for example, Netflix
Mm-hmm.
has something called a DRM protection. And because of that, I can't just share my screen on Google Meet. So that
Uh-huh.
isn't really possible um, for us to watch together. So this app is really valuable for, couples and friends
Mm-hmm.
who are living in a long distance relationship. So they can use this application to, watch and enjoy content together. So that is the whole application. So what do you think about this?
No, it sounds neat actually. It sounds interesting. Like I actually already had some questions, but like it's not like you probably thought about
Mhm.
them. So like what happens when I have like I have a premium YouTube and I have no ads, and the other guy has no premium YouTube and he has ads? Like will it actually show the ads for the other guy or like both of us? Like how would you how would it actually because like yeah like that for YouTube you can watch without paying, and probably
Yeah, yeah,
that's
of course,
why
of course.
Netflix is the problem is because you have to pay and both of you would have to be verified and paying and stuff. So like yeah, so like if I have a premium, like will it show you without
Mhm.
adverts? Like if I share it with you, how it would actually tackle that problem?
So to answer this question, I will go into a little bit more detail on how the application actually works, so you can understand
Mm-hmm.
why this is not a problem. So we don't actually sync the video content. So
Mm-hmm.
we don't actually transmit any video data.
Oh, so you
We
just
just
it's a,
transmit
just
where the
metadata.
video is.
It's just metadata.
Yes, yeah, exactly, exactly. Exactly. So we just share when the video started playing, and
Yeah.
using this, we can have an algorithm which correctly calculates and syncs both of these players. So it's a little bit hard to do, but
Mm-hmm.
then it gives us more flexibility. So this is basically how it works. Now, if one user has premium and one user don't have premium, what we can do is we can either wait for the other user to complete the
Mm-hmm.
ad, or we can just proceed with the other users, and when the user which has ads
Yeah.
skips the ad, it will automatically catch up to all of that's in the room. So we can make a business decision on what is the best option, but the ideal situation is that no one has ads. So
Yeah.
yeah, that is the assumption.
Yeah. But okay. And like so what like what how did you build it?
Oh, I have built it using TypeScript and basically, yeah, some React. So this is not the code. Let me just open. Single project.
Yeah, unfortunately, I have only 5 minutes, so we will have to like finish
Oh,
soon.
sure. Yeah. So the application is pretty simple right now. Are you familiar with Chrome extensions? How they work?
Oh, I've never developed them, unfortunately. I know what you are showing. I understand React and stuff, and Node and stuff, but like I don't really know. I never actually shipped any React extensions.
Oh,
Sorry,
so a React,
browser
so a
extensions.
Chrome
Yes, no
extension.
browser yeah, sorry, yeah, no browser extension
Yeah.
in my
So
case.
a browser extension is actually pretty simple. It's actually just a web page. So what you can see right here in the pop-up, let me just open this. So what you can see right here, it's
Mm-hmm.
just a web page, HTML
Yeah.
and CSS,
Okay.
and insert some JavaScript into the page itself. And there is also a script that runs in the background. So not in the page, and not here in the background, which
Uh-huh.
controls all of this stuff. So we have three distinct things. One is the pop-up, second is the background script, and third is the script that is inserted in each web page or website.
Mm-hmm.
So we have to just develop all these. So what the content script does is it finds the video on the page and extracts the data and applies the data onto the video.
Yeah.
What the background script does is it authenticates the user and controls all of these. So, for example, it communicates with all of the pages and the server itself. So the architecture is basically based on that, and the pop-up is basically the user console where the user controls
Mm-hmm.
all this
Yeah.
stuff.
Okay,
So
I
yeah, this is
only have
how.
2 more minutes. Can you make money on it? Do you know how you're gonna monetize it?
Yeah, so I was thinking of having a premium option. So a basic sync should work like this, and it should be
Mm-hmm.
free. Now, if you want to have a video call or audio support, so I'm thinking on how should I exactly monetize it. Maybe I should only have a premium option and have a free trial for
Mm-hmm.
1 month. Yeah, I'm still figuring it out
Yeah.
because it's not still perfect. It's not production ready.
Mm-hmm.
It's still an MVP. I don't have a mobile app right now, but I'm thinking of launching it in 1 to 2 months when I have, you know, developed it to a certain extent. But I have not thought about a solid
Yeah.
monetization plan. Maybe a subscription or a tiered system.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I feel like freemium is probably something you would have to figure out what extra is there. Yes, like what extra you can give.
Yeah.
So you have to give them something extra. And I mean, as you can see, like as you can see from my video thumbnail, even today, I have no. There was someone asking me if how many sales you've got. So I'm not really such an expert in selling online products. I'm still learning it. So like I think it sounds like something that would be freemium. You first give it free, and then like if you don't want to have like I don't know, if you want adverts not to show or something, I don't know. Then it's paid, but it's somewhere around that region. But like you probably don't maybe don't listen to me or my knowledge here is very limited.
Of course.
So be careful with applying
Sure,
what I'm saying.
sure.
Yeah. So yeah, as I was saying, unfortunately I have to finish. I have a meeting with for other project. If you wanna actually speak about it, let me know on the Discord. We'll arrange something next time. And yeah, thanks guys for thanks for coming. Very interesting app. I must say, like it's an interesting concept. So keep on going with that. I think sounds good. And if you progress, if you actually wanna update, just let me know. My channel is growing. You have eight people watching now. There might be another 8 watching later. Oh, 5 more minutes. Okay. It turns out that the friend who I'm meeting is in 5 minutes. So we have another 5 minutes. Let's just go on.
Yeah, I just want to appreciate you, man, and I want to thank you to just talk to me. It's great that you are creating content, and of course, this will bring, leads and sales for your own product. And I'm hoping that you will grow to become a better and bigger channel.
Cool.
And
I'm
I'll
trying.
be,
I'm trying.
connected with you and talking with you.
Well,
I'm also thinking about creating
Yeah.
content and stuff like that. So yeah, but I have the time thing. So just tell me your perspective on how you see the content game, and how do you justify the time give into it instead of
It's
just
very
working
time
on the project
consuming.
itself.
It's actually very time consuming if you want to focus on project. I always wanted to have a YouTube channel, so like that's something I can justify it, but it's time consuming as hell, you know. And obviously I'm not even close to monetizing this thing, so it's, you know, you might actually not see it worth it, because for example, like even my product is not really like my viewers here are not really my target audience, so I'm just doing it alongside. So I'm trying to figure out how to actually make it less time consuming now, you know, that I just do live streams.
Yeah,
and
I
just,
haven't asked.
Yeah.
So what's your product like? I haven't
it's
asked about.
it's an app for delivery companies. So basically, if you're managing your deliveries in like Excel or something, it would be actually good for you to, you know, if you would like to do it in the cloud with multiple users, then this is the advantage, you know. Instead of just like having one Excel, one central person, there's this app where you can do like deliveries, products, customers, like combine them into things. It's actually like it's a
I'm
utility
sure.
app. Sorry.
Yeah, sorry, I'm not sure if I understand what exactly your
Yeah.
app solves. So you said it helps delivery companies. So I don't
Yes.
exactly understand what it does.
Yes.
So
If you're
can you
like a
explain the specifics
middleman,
of?
if you're a middleman and you are delivering from one place to other, then you can use this
Mhm.
app to actually manage all those deliveries. It's not really doing a tracking or anything like that. It's more for like a bookkeeping, basically, for, you know, working within
Oh,
a small company to do that. So it's like it's not CRM. I think they're called ERP apps. Yeah.
ERP?
Yeah, ERP. So it's a simpler version basically of some ERPs. I'm still sort of deciding if I want to actually spend much more time on this app. Maybe I'll just like close it as it is. I will just find I will just launch it on like some cheap server, and I will be looking for
Mhm.
like, you know, maybe tens or hundreds of users, but because that would be actually good, you know, that would be enough for this app to actually be a success for me. I don't like basically I'm just realizing now with when I'm vibe coding, because it was actually, this app was first time in my life that I just like did 100% vibe coding, you know, or like 80% vibe coding, whatever, like just big majority. And actually, like when I look at the code, it's serviceable, but I wouldn't really want to work too much more on this code base, you know. So I would even have to rewrite this app, redo it, or like spend a lot of time actually even with agent trying to rewrite it the way I like it. So I'm sort of very, very hesitant to spend much more time on this app. I'm building other stuff as well and trying to build this YouTube, and maybe we'll do some projects together with some other people from Discord. Yeah, so that's the plan now.
Of course, of course. So that's not your primary project. You are pursuing multiple projects at the same time, and I assume you hire freelancers. You don't code yourself.
Yeah, I do have an agency actually. So I have an agency where I'm trying to where I will be trying that. This is actually something that I'm starting now. So I will be promoting this agency now on like LinkedIn, maybe YouTube and stuff, and maybe Facebook, where, you know, I will be doing like an MVPs, websites and stuff. So just like standard freelance stuff.
Understood. So your main business is the agency that you're talking about, right?
I think that's the most immediate, but I hope my app will actually, I will figure out the way to actually make money with the app, you know. That's probably that's my biggest hope, you know. But like so far I didn't, so I have to just shift some of my focus on other stuff, you know, because if I already started getting customers, I would probably be much more focused on that. Now my focus sort of spreads
Yes, of course.
between many projects. Yeah, and basically I can work
Yeah,
on it
because
because I'm actually like very safe now in terms of financially. I can work on it for another 6 months without getting a job. And I'm also like being like you know, I'm also being interviewed by some companies as well. I've been like 2 days ago, I've been on Google interviews and other stuff like that. So I'm like I really don't
that's
know where
great.
it will end up, you know, where I will end up. Yeah.
Where do you live actually?
Poland, near Warsaw.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
I live in India.
Yeah, I guessed, but like your look is actually not really so Indian, to be honest. So I was kind of guessing, you know. But I thought, but you know,
Where did you think I lived?
I
By
knew
my look.
you look actually probably, I don't know. I mean, it's really hard now to place people especially when you live in Europe and you get people from all over the place. And it's like, where is he from, you know? But obviously, most of the people that
Of
watch
course.
me now is I mean, or like I think half of my audience is from India. So if I guess India, I'm 50% right usually, you know? Yeah.
Of course. And yeah, my accent may be a bit
That doesn't
more
matter. That doesn't
better
matter.
than most Indians.
Your app speaks for you. Your app speaks for you and your code. So I think like it's an interesting app. You know, I might actually download it later. Although I watch, you know, I watch YouTube myself. My wife is watching Instagram most of the time. Yeah, as I was saying, unfortunately I have to finish. Feel free to arrange
Of course, man.
another chat when you
Yeah,
progress with stuff, and I'm happy
of
to
course.
talk to you.
Great meeting you, man.
Yeah, and
And
it's
yeah, I'll
it's fun
message
to
you on
talk to you
Discord
as well. Like
absolutely.
you look like a cool guy. So like yeah, let's talk other day. See ya.
Of
Cheers.
course, man. Yeah. See you. Have a good day.
Yeah, okay, so as I was saying, unfortunately I have to go. My meeting was late, but it's still happening. So I will be back in like an hour and I will review other stuff and work on other stuff as well. I don't really know. I have to plan the day as well. A bit, yeah. See you around. Thank you. Stop streaming.